So our Violet kitty had this thing of water, and she'd just push it around the floor and spill the water. I put it in a box to give it to someone else because she was constantly spilling the water. She just tipped over the box. And now she is pushing it around the floor. She seems to like it a lot. So I don't know if I could actually get rid of it. She's got this romance with this water fountain. So maybe we might just have to try to fasten it to the floor or something. You like that water fountain? Huh? Can I get rid of that water fountain? Can you use a real bowl? What do you think? Huh? What are you doing, Daisy? You don't even know about the water fountain, huh? Daisy? Oh, you're gonna go play with the water fountain too, Lily? Yeah, I think we better keep the water fountain. Are you bringing it to me? Yeah? Is that keep the water fountain, Mom? Huh? What do you think? Violet? Is that your water fountain?